DoorDash. We moving. Oh, it's gonna be a peak pay. Oh, that's tomorrow. $6.25 for 4 miles, y'all. I just missed the super chat. Shout out to Kelly, a New Yorker in Mass, coming through with the $5. Appreciate that, Kelly. Kelly, they just sent me $6.25 for 4 miles, Kelly. Now listen, I'm not saying this is the worst order ever, but what I am saying is it ain't got nothing to do with me. That order is not getting done by yours truly. Blunt Samurai, they be giving sheet orders. I wish they didn't allow people to order from so far away without requiring them to pay more. I'd be desperate. I'd be taking ratchet orders. I mean, sometimes you gotta just... It's hard when you first start to understand that you have the ability to decline as many orders as you want. It's hard. I get it. And then also, you may not be in a market like where it's popping like this one and I'm getting orders back to back no matter what. But understand that I do truly feel like, look, no matter what, the same orders that was in your market before these programs came out, them the same orders that's in your market now, the same kind of customers who's ordering in, ordering that. Maybe more dashers, but it's probably about the same amount for real. Because dashers come and go. A lot of people, if they really serious about making money with DoorDash, once they figure it out, they quickly start adding more apps to the equation. And then it quickly starts from, oh, you started out doing DoorDash, making a little side money. And then if you really was thinking about going all in it, you probably checking out some other apps as well. So it ain't really like you just on DoorDash going all in, usually. So with that being said, that platinum stuff don't matter. It's all hogwash. What's up, Alex? Oh, what's your total tonight, including the super chats? I don't know. That's a good question. This shit don't just tell me all of that information straight up. It show me in the top how many people in the chat, but once you get over 100 people and 100 likes, everything get pushed over. I can't even see what the total is for the super chats. Like, I literally have no idea. Until I close this down, I have no idea. I just know I just know this order trash. I know what I remember that I got, but I don't know the running total. I know this order right here is trash. $8.25 for 9 miles. I know we're not doing that. I know that much. How do taxes work? You pay them shits. That's how it work. Kaylee, I'm a new subscriber. Shout out to all the brand new subscribers. Make sure you double tap that screen on your way into the live stream, guys. Make sure you do that. And if you ain't subscribed, consider it, because you're getting all types of entertainment. I wish I could decline more, but then I lose my tier status and can't work. I hear that. I hear that. I hear that. You got to do what you got to do. I ain't mad at you. I'm not mad at you. Because at the end of the day, you got to... Whoa! What is this? No tip, no trip, man. What the hell? What in the hell is this? This is a platinum order. This order is so platinum I can't even see. Damn, DoorDash, it's like that. It's like that, DoorDash? Damn. Spark always try to give me an incentive when I take a day off. Man, where the super chat at when you need them, man? After seeing that, I need some help. I need some help after seeing that, boy. I ain't lying. That was ridiculous. That was absolute. I need to see something else. I need to see something else. Whoa.